Hello all, hope all are doing good. So now we will see chapter 4, Thinkers, Beliefs and Buildings, Cultural Development. Question number 9, Subject History Class 12, explained by Sadhyayam. The question is, of the religious traditions discussed in this chapter, is there any that is practiced in your neighborhood? What are the religious texts used today and how were they preserved and transmitted? Are images used in worship? If so, are they similar to do or different from those described in this chapter? Describe the buildings used for religious activities today, comparing them with early stupas and temples. So the question is, we learned a lot about Hinduism, Buddhism, Christian, all these we learned in past. So they're asking all these religious traditions which we discussed in the chapters or practiced even today by our neighbors. If that is the case, if they are using any religious text today, is the religious text preserved and transmitted? Even now, all the images being used, if the images of the gods are used for worshipping, or those images same as they were used in early times, and if people of the present day are building temples for the religious activity. So all these that I mentioned now were practiced in the early time. So they ask me even in this time, if all these are practiced or not. So we will see what the answer is. The chapter discusses the religious tradition of ancient India, which included Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and so on. As I live in the walled city of Delhi, I have seen people practicing all these traditions. So far till now, we saw about Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. And I live in Delhi, so I have seen people practicing all these traditions. Next paragraph. The religious textbook of all religions are preserved and kept with great respect. They have been translated in many languages, including many regional language of the country. Now they are also preserved in form of CD and other modern devices. Images are also used by worshippers of this religion. Hindu deities have almost have same image as they had in past. Jains and Buddhists also use image. Temples are used by Hindus, Buddhists and Jains. Mosques are built made by Muslims and churches by Christians. The structure of all these are different but with some similarities too. So in second paragraph, we come to see that the religious texts which was used in the past are preserved even till now and they are kept with great respect. And even all these texts are also translated to other regional languages. In addition to this, these religious texts are made into CDs and to other modern devices, and with help of technology also we are preserving all these religious texts. Next question was, are the images used in worship? Yes, even now, images are used in worship. We can say, be it Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever religion it is, most of us use images of God to worship them, right? Then, in case of Hindus follow and worship the same images as it was used in past. Buddhist and Jain people also worship the images. And when we take buildings, temples are built by Hindus, Buddhists, and Jains. Mosques are built by Muslim and churches are built by Christians. So on a whole, when we see from then to now, things have changed. All the religious tradition, the texts, the images are different, but there are some similarities too when compared to then and now. Thank you.